In assignment 1, you have the task of buying an office computer. Now, it could be one for your office or one for yourself. That doesn't really matter. So you're going to either use a flyer that you can find at a local store, or you're going to do it online. Those are the two assignment options. So in number 1, first thing you do is to go out and find your resource. Find the flyer or search online. Then in number 2, you're going to write down the specifications. So HDD, hard disk drive, RAM, random access memory, CPU, the central processing unit. You're going to look at input and output devices such as your mouse, your printer, things like that. And read the fine print. Sometimes you'll see an ad where they show a nice big monitor next to a tower, and you read the fine print and it says monitor not included. Number 4, what software is included? Is there any software that you still need? Do you have backup options? Does it have a backup drive of any sort? What network do you plan on using? Are you going on Kinect, for example? Are you going to get an uninterruptible power source, or UPS? That's that thing that beeps underneath your desk when the power goes off, but it's good because it gives you a little bit of time to shut down your computer. And then you're going to list the items and the price. So it's everyone's going to do this differently. You might some people may have more complicated list. Other people have a simpler list. It's totally up to you. So the way the grading matrix works is that I've just listed the items there, and then you have 2 submission options. In option 1, you can put all your information in the text box below after submission, or you can save it all in a Word document and then upload a Word document. In option 2, you shop online for a computer, and then you'll save that document. So in option 1, let's say this is the computer you chose. Just pick this one. It's in the course under the data backup options. So in this one here, we see some basic information. So this is an HP Pavilion TouchSmart, so it's a touchscreen computer. It's an all-in-one. It's got an AMD A8 760 processor. That's the CPU. So that just gives you an idea what it is. Now A8 is a pretty big, most recent processor, pretty big one. It's got 6 gigabytes of RAM. I'd recommend going with at least 8 actually. The more RAM you get, the faster your computer will run, and it's fairly cheap to buy. It's got a 1 terabyte hard disk drive, not bad size. And then you can see it's got a little more information here. I wouldn't get the extra service plan, etc., because you'd really have to ship your computer out for that anyway. So that one's $829. So that's the sort of thing that you would submit. You would add, now I've already submitted one here, so I'll just click on Edit Submission, pretend we're going through it again. So that's the sort of information that you could enter on the online text here for questions 1 all the way through 8, or like I say, you could do it as a Word and then attach it. Now here I've already attached assignment 1, and I'll show you how I did that. So here I'm actually going to delete it, and I'll attach it again just to show you what I did there. So here I was online shopping, and once you pick the computer you want, you can go shop and you find the computer you want. So you go down, you add to cart. And once you add to cart, you're then given the choice of going and updating, so you can change the various options on that computer. Now, I'd already gone through this process, and to save time, what I'd done is created one here, and that's a PDF document. So when I got this one here and I was satisfied with what I had, I said confirm and add to cart. And then what I did is went up to File and Print. And then you have a choice of either saving as a PDF document, or you could also save it, depending on your computer, you might be able to save it as a graphic. So I said save as PDF, and I called it assignment 1 and put my name after it. And I saved that on the desktop. That's this file here that I have. So in order to upload that assignment, just go back here to the page where we had the assignment upload. You click on the little plus sign here, and then browse. And this is your file picker. Here it was right here on my desktop, assignment 1 Neil that I'd already saved. Click upload. There's the assignment already. Click save changes. And as soon as you do that, that gets emailed to your facilitator and the assignment gets marked.